Morning, afternoon, or good night, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you guys how to create and install a Facebook pixel onto your website for your business, specifically with Squarespace today. So right off the bat, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Facebook business manager here. And that's basically, you're going to go to business Facebook. See, I got mine right here. And done. So this is the website you're going to go to, minus the Corey Jaybird Medias, because that's my personal Facebook page. And this is going to pop up with all of your different Facebook business accounts, whatever you're running your ads through. So what you're going to do from here, you're going to click on the Pixels one. It's going to take you right over here to this type of window. If you don't happen to have a pixel set up, this is the screen you're going to be presented with. I have all of my other accounts and everything down to the side here. And then it's as simple as this. All you're doing is you're going to create a new pixel. It's going to go through a nice simple process. You're going to name it. So let's say we're going to name this one test pixel 1. And then just continue here. Once this loads up, for Squarespace, this makes it nice and simple here. So you're basically able to copy a short code into your the header or the footer. I think it's usually the header of the website that you're going to do this with. So you're going to copy the install code here. And then, for instance, on Squarespace, this allows you to have a spot under the marketing tab. So if you were to go back to your pages, you go to marketing on the side, and then Facebook pixel and ads, and then you're going to paste your pixel code here. And then if you wanted to post it on a specific page, what you're going to do here is where it gets a little more technical. Not so much so, but it's under the advanced settings and settings. You go down here, and then you're going to code injection. Now on the header here, you're basically just going to paste that Facebook code right there. And then down on the order confirmation page, do the same thing down there. And I'm not going to do that here because I've already got this all set up through the pixel addition on the site to where you just post the code in like we showed you earlier. If you post it in both locations, it'll mess up some of the code. So that's usually if you're going to go do that on specific pages. So I would only recommend doing that on specific pages if you need to. The way that it's set up with Squarespace, actually, you can just use it for that one little piece of code under the marketing here. And under the Facebook pixels, you paste that, and Facebook automatically splits it up, tracks everything from your people that traffic that comes into your site, click-throughs, what they call events on Facebook as well, so that they can track all of your different types of events and everything on that too. For which is like checkouts or people fill in the little pop-up that you haven't put their email address in there. It tracks your leads and everything from your site or your let's say if you had ClickFunnels set up, then you could it would automatically track all of your leads and everything from that too. And then you can export all of those leads into handy little things like these, little CSV files down at the bottom like this, where you can have all of your real estate leads wherever you got on that. So outside of that, once your codes are done, you can then go back and check out what some of the pages have been doing, the traffic-wise, analytics, and let's say we want to go to maybe this one. And you can check out some of the analytics of how the pages are going with that. Since this our Facebook page. It's got some all right traffic there from right in the beginning. You can see all the different pages that we will manage with that so far too. So outside of that, that's how you set it up with Squarespace. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below, and we'll answer all the questions you guys have down there in the comments. So stay healthy, my friends, and we'll see you next video.